Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'm showing you my student work. You can see I have two students who wants to try out butter icing for the first time. So this is their work, how it went. It was not easy. Seriously, when this is your first attempt trying out butter icing, you understand what I'm trying to say. It wasn't easy, even correcting, trying my best to direct them. To learn is not easy, but one thing I know about cake baking and decoration is all about practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you get better. Okay, today if you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video in this channel. I tutor you how to bake cakes, decorate cakes, chops, small chops, pastries, and so many things about business you will love to enjoy. So don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you will not miss the next video coming up. Next week we are having a huge wedding cake you will not love to miss. So make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Feel free to invite a friend to this channel. Okay, enjoy. Seriously, it wasn't easy for the student, but to me, they really tried. This is their first attempt. It's not easy. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to join this lovely family by clicking the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and click on notifications to get a lot of our new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.